Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by charging the Apple Watch to at least 50% and keeping your iPhone unlocked and nearby. This ensures uninterrupted pairing. Open the Watch app and tap Start Pairing, then hold the watch face inside the phone camera frame so the animation aligns. This exchanges secure keys automatically. If the auto option fails, make sure to tap Pair Apple Watch manually and match the 6-digit code shown on both devices. This step creates the encrypted link that syncs data and settings. Once paired, you'll choose which wrist you wear the watch on and enable wrist detection so Apple Pay and sensitive features stay secure. Set a passcode now to protect data. Make decisions about app installations, install essential apps immediately, and defer others to save space. Enable health and activity syncing so your iPhone records workouts and metrics. Then customize the watch face and complications to surface the info you use most, and adjust notification and haptic intensity to match. To finish, complete iCloud, Siri, and Apple Pay setup so continuity features and secure payments work. Then wait a few minutes for the full sync of music, apps, and settings. Test a phone call, incoming notifications, and a quick workout to verify cellular, haptics, and heart rate sensors are functioning. If something goes wrong, reboot both the watch and iPhone, confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled, and if problems persist, unpair and repair. That resets the secure connection and resolves most stubborn sync errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.